10 Disturbing Facts About Sloths. Sloths are often seen as cute and slow-moving creatures, but there are some intriguing and perhaps disturbing aspects of their biology and behavior. Here are 10 facts about sloths that might surprise you. Slow metabolism. Sloths have one of the slowest metabolic rates of any mammal. It can take them up to a month to digest a single leaf. Algae growth. The fur of sloths is a perfect breeding ground for green algae, giving them a greenish appearance and serving as camouflage in their forest environment. Mossy moths. Sloths not only have algae in their fur but also a particular species of moths. These moths lay eggs in sloth dung, and the emerging caterpillars provide an additional food source for the sloths. Swimming sloths. Sloths are surprisingly good swimmers and can move efficiently through the water, using their long arms to paddle. No scent marking. Unlike most mammals, sloths do not engage in scent marking, a behavior often used for territory or mate communication. Instead, they rely on vocalizations. Inverted organs. The digestive organs of sloths are attached to the abdominal wall in the opposite direction to most mammals, likely to aid in their ability to hang upside down from trees. Pooping ritual. Sloths have a distinctive behavior when it comes to defecation. They descend to the forest floor, dig a small hole, and then bury their waste. High mortality rate. Sloths have a high infant mortality rate. Nearly 50% of sloth infants do not survive their first year. Predation. Sloths are vulnerable to predation from eagles, jaguars, and large snakes. They are more exposed when they descend from the trees to defecate. Slow leaf diet. The primary diet of sloths is leaves, which are low in nutrition and hard to digest. To conserve energy, they have adapted to a sedentary lifestyle. While sloths might seem endearing, these facts illustrate the unique and sometimes challenging aspects of their biology and behavior in the wild.